Michael, Kayak Flying there. I'm on my way to Laurance Lake up on Mount Hood. Most of the rivers, the lower rivers, including the Columbia and the Willamette, have been closed due to the high temperatures and low water. It's been a real bummer for the fish. We had sturgeon die-offs all the way up to Tri-Cities in Washington, and we got sturgeon and salmon dying in the lower Columbia, Deschutes, and the Willamette, and even parts of the Clackamas. It's been rough. It's not been a good year for fish. So we're going to head to the high country today where it's a little cooler on them, and we're going to catch a few trout, so we're not going to bother them too much. Well, at least I hope we bother them a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to pick up my nephew, Travis. He's been on a couple fishing adventures with me, and we'll see what we can catch. Anyway, it's going to be a great morning, and we'll see you when we get on the water. Slow sinking line, full sink, 2 flies tending towards red, and let's see if we can actually catch a fish. And Sam, my son, said I need to smile more. If I catch a fish, I will definitely be smiling. Okay, well, I haven't found any fish yet, but I mean on the end of my line, but I've got a couple on the sonar. Wind's picking up. You can tell as the white caps start getting bigger and bigger. I am going to anchor up. Oh, I'm on one. There we go. Yes. Oh, that's a gorgeous fish. Very nice. Let's get that little guy right over here. Very pretty rainbow trout. Let's get him over and around. Okay. Oh. Get the fish there, Nixter. Let's get him out of here. There we go. There we go. Let's get the other fly out. There we go. There. Pretty fish. Try my new camera. Okay. All right, guy. Ready? There you go. There we go, Nick. Let's take a look at that fly. For some reason, I think that barb's still on there. Should not take that much time to get rid of a fish. So we don't want that barb on there. There we go. Excellent. We're gonna get rid of that one too. Okay, so there's one of the flies. Here's the other one. And just tied it directly on to the hook shank. So the first fly is on the directly on the fly line, and it is 6-pound test, which is kind of amazing. So okay, we're going to see if we can get into a couple more fish here. All right, high hopes here. Oh, there we are. There we are. Oh, look at that. What a nice fish. There we go. There we go. Let's see how many different areas I can snag. Oh, ooh, nice. That's beautiful. That, I believe, is a bull trout. Let's get him on his way. Come on, gotta get out. There he goes. Nice. All right, that was a nice bull trout. There's a few of those in here. That was fun. Let's see if we can catch another one. Well, snagged up again. I think I'm just gonna go undo it and start heading back. Anyway, nice day here at Laurance. Not too bad. A couple nice fish and a couple nice strikes. So, this is Michael, kayak fly angler. Go farther, catch more, have fun, and smile, as my son Sam said. Smile, Dad. Everybody wants to be closer to free. Everybody wants respect, just